In this short video, we'll outline a new and unique feature in KipwareCYC for estimating machining cycle time for Swiss-type machining. We started by creating a cycle time estimate using KipwareCYC for a shaft-type workpiece that contains rough and finish turning operations along with the drilling and boring operation. Just a simple part that we can use to demonstrate our ghosting feature. When we open the ghosting menu, we can now easily move or ghost operations that will be performed simultaneously while another operation is being performed. In essence, the cycle time for these operations are free and really don't count in the complete cycle time because they are being done while other operations are being done. There's no need to count both operations, just the longer running one. When we select to complete the ghosting operation, we can see that the information and specs for those operations are retained in the cycle time estimate, but not counted in the total cycle time. If we decide later that we will use a single spindle, single turret machine for production, we can simply move the ghosted operations back to the main spindle, and they will become part of the complete estimate again. Also, when we create our routing sheet in KipwareCYC, these ghosted operations will be labeled, and programming and setup will have a roadmap as to which operations should be machined during other simultaneous operations to match our estimate. There's not a lot of options out there for estimating machining cycle time on Swiss-type CNCs. Kentech Inc. offers a unique and powerful tool in KipwareCYC, and we encourage users looking for a real-world machining cycle time estimating tool for all types of machining to learn more and explore more about KipwareCYC at www.kipware.com.